This past week, 32 Prince George High School students got hands-on training with some pretty tough equipment in the annual Heavy Metal Rocks event.
Mostly we want to introduce students to the myriad of careers that are available in the construction industry, and we do that by giving them a taste of driving heavy equipment.
Heavy Metal Rocks is the result of a collaboration between the Prince George Construction Association and the entire construction industry, with the goal of growing the labor force in the years ahead.
Considering how many large projects are going to be within BC alone over the next 5-10 years, the industry is scrambling for skilled trades. So what we're trying to do is encourage skilled trades and encourage the young people in BC, especially in the north, to go and be in the actual labor side of the trades and how beneficial it is that they can get just as much satisfaction from working as a trade or a laborer as they can being an engineer or working in an office.
The program is perfectly timed, as May 3rd to 9th is the North American Occupational Health and Safety Week. And obviously, when you have kids who are just learning to drive cars, also learning to operate heavy equipment, safety is clearly going to be a big component of Heavy Metal Rocks.
The first day of the program is devoted entirely to safety, teaching them the rights and the wrongs, the do's and the don'ts about working around mobile equipment. WorkSafe BC helps us with that, and we educate them that way. They also have to complete on their own, prior to participating in the program, they have to complete a program called the CSTS, which is the Construction Safety Training System.
Heavy Metal Rocks is a yearly event, so if your kid might be interested in next year's program, keep your eyes glued to www.pgca.bc.ca, because inspiring young people is what it's all about.
We do have some students who were hired by industry and come back and help us now as operators to guide today's students with their experience in the pit here.
For Go Prince George, I'm Kevin Neal.